Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So 2 days ago, Samsung finally started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable updates for the Galaxy S23 series, including my S23 FE, some A series phones like A36, A56 and lots of Samsung phones already got the update, right? And after updating, Samsung has added lots of new features, hidden changes, security improvements and UI refinement. So in this video, I will show you all the major new features and changes added in One UI 8.5 stable update compared to One UI 8.5. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let's talk about one of the biggest UI changes in One UI 8.5. Samsung has now redesigned lots of stock apps with this new pill-shaped UI design. Like if you open the phone app, gallery, my files, settings and many other Samsung apps, you will instantly notice this rounded pill-shaped buttons, search bar, bottom tabs and UI elements everywhere. Even the dialer, bottom navigation bar, search section and quick action now follows the same design style. And honestly, this small changes actually makes the entire UI much more modern and visually consistent. It now gives much more polished flagship feelings compared to older One UI version. What do you think, guys? And Samsung has also improved quick panel customization in One UI 8.5. Now you can fully resize quick toggles however you want. You can make tiles bigger, smaller, move them anywhere and customize the layout much more freely. This is one of those small changes, but once you start using it daily, you will definitely notice the difference. Now another very useful feature Samsung added after One UI 8.5 is partial screen recording. Earlier we only had full screen recording option, but now in One UI 8.5 Samsung finally added a partial screen recording support. So now you can record only a selected area of the screen instead of recording full display, which is honestly very useful for tutorials, gaming clips, YouTube videos or sharing specific content. Now another very small but very useful change in One UI 8.5 is Samsung now allow user to hide the battery background icon from the status bar. So if you want a cleaner, more minimal status bar look, now you can disable the battery background completely. Samsung has also added one of my favorite feature in One UI 8.5, which is direct voicemail feature, which is honestly very similar to iPhone live voicemail feature. Now if you turn this feature on and when someone calls you and if you are busy, you don't answer the call automatically goes to voicemail after a selected time, and user can even check voicemail directly from the phone app. Samsung also added different timing option like 5 second, 10 second, 20 seconds or custom timing. So yes, Samsung is slowly adding more smart calling features now, and this is one of my favorite feature in One UI 8.5. Alright, now let's talk about some new security improvements Samsung added. Samsung improved the auto blocker feature inside the One UI 8.5. Now auto blocker can automatically turn itself back on after 30 minutes disable, which basically add extra protection against suspicious apps, malware and unofficial software installation. And Samsung has also added a brand new security alert feature, security alert center feature. This section can now warn users about Samsung account security issues like password problems. If your password is very weak, it will suggest you to change it, and recovery option and also two-step verification and other important security suggestion. So One UI 8.5 is not only about new design, Samsung also improved privacy and security a lot in One UI 8.5, which is great because nowadays hacking, data leaks are going very, it's very normal nowadays. So security also very important. And one more thing I noticed after update, this is a small change but I really liked it. Okay, Samsung also redesigned the dual SIM network icon in the status bar. Now the network indicator looks more cleaner, more modern, especially for user using dual SIM cards. The signal icons are now easier to understand and visually clear compared to older One UI version. And again, as I told you, a very small change, but this small UI improvement together actually make One UI 8.5 feel more polished. Samsung has also improved quick share in One UI 8.5. Now Galaxy phone can share files with iPhone using AirDrop style sharing. So sharing photos, videos and files between Samsung and Apple device becomes much easier now. And currently this new AirDrop style quick share feature is mainly there for the flagship phones. Like currently only I think it's for the Galaxy S26 series, but older Galaxy phones including our S23 series, S23 FE are also expected to receive it very soon, like in upcoming updates. Small updates Samsung will provide, and Samsung will give these features to older device also. So there is a news that the older device will get this update. Okay, that's why I'm telling it. But yeah, this is also a new feature added in One UI 8.5. And other than all of these changes, Samsung has also added a brand new AI features like call screening, photo assist 2.0, audio eraser 2.0, and the new creative studio. All this feature Samsung did not give to S23 series. They gave to S24, S25 series, but did not give this AI features to S23 series. It's a very sad news. And thankfully I managed to install one feature which is very important feature, which is creative studio. I have made a video yesterday how you can install this on your Galaxy S23 series. I don't know about other phones it will work or not, but currently it's working for S23 FE on my phone, as you can see. So yeah, if you want to install the creative studio AI feature on your S23 series, watch my yesterday video, link will be in the description. And hopefully I will manage to install the audio eraser call screening feature. I will keep searching on internet if there is any tricks, etc. If I find any trick to install this call screening, audio eraser 2.0, etc. features on my S23 series, then definitely I will make a video and inform you guys. And also I noticed that after One UI 8.5, the animations is very smooth now. When you open and close the app, the animation feels very smoother compared to One UI 8. So this is also one change which I noticed, after updating to One UI 8.5. And one more thing guys, I'm not going to talk about the new good lock feature in this video because Samsung has added lots of insane new features in good lock after One UI 8.5 update. I have already made a separate dedicated video about that. Link will be in the description. In that video I have shown you all the new features added in good lock which are amazing. So you can watch that video, link will be in the description. And guys, please note, this is not a review video. In this video, I'm just telling you all the new features, new changes which Samsung made in One UI 8.5, especially for Galaxy S23 series. So I will use this update for 1 or 2 days more, then I will make a detailed review video. Then only I will know like how the battery backup is performing, the animations, the heating issue. I have to use this at least for 4 to 5 days. So I will use it more, then I will make a detailed review video. Okay, so this was not a review video. In this video, I'm just telling you all the new features, new changes which Samsung made in One UI 8.5, especially for S23 series. Alright guys, overall I think One UI 8.5 is actually a really good update. Samsung focused more on improving the user experience, animations, customization, privacy, security, and making the UI feel cleaner and more premium. And honestly, this small improvement together make a very big difference in daily uses. So now let me know in the comment, did you guys receive the One UI 8.5 update? And also let me know like which is your favorite feature in One UI 8.5. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. If you are new to this channel and if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to my channel. You won't be disappointed because I always upload a genuine videos and genuine news and genuine leaks. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Once again, like this video, it's completely free, it's motivate me, and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. Bye, take care.